Cardano news. In recent weeks, Cardano has received and introduced one of its most important technical upgrades above all. A technology that could boost throughput from the current 40 transactions per second to around 500. The community is investing millions in new developments and institutions are preparing trust and ETF products. And yet ADA is still 70% below its all-time high. So the big question is Cardano now on the verge of a comeback? Welcome to 10x Crypto, your channel for honest data-driven altcoin analysis. My name is Marius and I actually come from quality management. There I learned that decisions should never be based solely on gut feeling but always on clear data. That's exactly why my passion and my 10x formula were born. With my exclusive formula, I analyze altcoins using 20 key metrics. I rate each one from 0 to 10. In the end, you get a clear result in percent, 4 different price scenarios, and the vision 2030. What could still happen with prices by 2030? At the end, you also get a chart analysis and I show you what I would do right now. Buy, sell or wait. My goal is simple, to give you clarity in a market full of hype. So if you're looking for data-driven altcoin analyses and want to know which altcoins really have massive potential, then subscribe to my channel now. Here you make decisions based on facts, not hype. But attention, a disclaimer. My channel is not financial advice, but purely informational. Cardano is a mid-cap altcoin with around 30 billion US dollars. Market cap, research approach, and a community that is among the most active in the crypto space. Why this analysis and these news right now? It's simple. Cardano has had several fundamental updates in August and September. Community votes and potential catalysts. From Hydra to Leos to ETF speculation. All of that right now in this video. Let's get to the technology. And that's always one of the most exciting parts with Cardano. At the end of August, the advertisement proposal was introduced aiming for parallel block processing. It sounds dry, but it means 40 transactions per second on the mainnet up to 1500 TPS in the future. With that, Cardano would become a direct competitor to Solana and others. And it wouldn't have to make any compromises in decentralization. On top of that, there's Hydra. The Layer 2 solution reached 1 million transactions per second in stress tests. Of course, those are lab results, but it's a clear signal. And all of this isn't being developed behind closed doors. The community has already approved over 96 million ADA for a 12-month development program. The focus areas are scaling, cross-chain bridges, but also better nodes. The whole process is overseen by Intersect, a new governance body. And beyond that, the new node version 10.5.1 is live on the mainnet. A Cardano's UI bridge from WHOP is in place to prepare for on-chain governance in CP 1694. In summary, Cardano delivers upgrades regularly, transparently, and with a clear roadmap. Let's move on to the community and adoption. Technology alone isn't enough. What really matters is adoption. And in that regard, things are currently looking stable for Cardano. There are over 2005 projects in the ecosystem, more than 112 million on-chain transactions, and over 1.34 million wallets actively staking. In addition, there are 10.8 million native tokens and 8.3 million NFTs on the chain. The foundation is testing real-world applications, for example in Orinata, for supply chain tracking in Georgia, or the identity platform Viridian. DeFi is growing slowly. Hydra-based microtransactions were demonstrated live at Rare Evo. And with Midnight, a privacy sidechain will be launching soon and blockchain.com is already a partner. Strong community? Definitely. Around 67% of all ADA are staked in 3D200 pools. Governance remains active and in August Fund 14 of Project Catalyst was launched. This means Cardano has a community that doesn't just create hype but actually delivers. Let's take a look at the current token data and the price. Time for some hard data. Currently the price is around $0.82. Market cap is at 30 billion FDV at $37 billion. Of the 45 billion ADA in max supply, about 36 billion are already in circulation. So that means 80%. This means there won't be any major unlocks anymore. So the risk of massive sell-offs is quite low. The trading volume is in the high hundreds of millions. And that's obviously extremely strong as well. On peak days, 770 million per 24 hours. And importantly, the majority of it is traded on a centralized exchange like Binance. Cardano dexes like MineSwap or SundaySwap reach around $1.1 billion in volume, so comparatively small. Maybe a few more data points about the history. The all-time high was at 290, currently 70% below that. The low point was at 0.02 in March 2020. Since then it's up 4,000%. Important valuation versus tech. Cardano regularly delivers new upgrades, but DeFi volume and app usage are still not at the level of Ethereum or Solana. By the way, if you still want to trade all of them, take a look. Check out my favorite crypto exchange. I've also linked a tutorial for you up here. Now let's move on to my chart analysis. What does ADA look like at the moment? What is my recommendation? Welcome to my chart analysis of Cardano. First of all, again, for your information, I'm a long-term investor, not a trader in the sense that I only hold short-term or trade with leverage. In any case, I always look at money flow and ultimately whether we're in the overbought or oversold zone. A quick example, here we would be in the oversold area, a lot of people are selling, we're entering oversold territory here. This, for example, would be a typical entry point for me, and I use TradingView and a specific indicator for this. It's marked here with a green dot. This would have been a kind of entry point for me. Or here as well, since I also do dollar cost averaging. And then up here would be a kind of exit point for me, or at least a place to take profits. In other words, this is also marked here with red dots. This is an extremely good indicator for me because I can find good entry points here, even if you're doing dollar cost averaging. Here's an entry point, there's an entry point, and there's another entry point. And up here, here's an exit point, here's an exit point, and here's another exit point. This is a good indicator for me. As I said, you can see here, bam, this is the absolutely overbought area when more and more people are buying. And down here is the absolutely oversold area. But now the question is, of course, what does it look like for ADA at the moment? We were down here in the oversold area, as you can see. These were all pretty good entry points here. Those would all have been points where I would have entered. At the moment, we've pushed up quite nicely. If you take a look at it now, that doesn't look bad at all. If you look at it, let's see, that was almost 100% drop up to that point. But right now, we're more in the middle range, as you can see. We had another good tip here, it was also indicated here, and now it's slowly going back up again. For me, this wouldn't be an entry point right now. Here, I would rather wait and see how the situation develops. Either, if we go further down and then move back above the oversold area, I would see another entry point. Or if we push upwards now, if we keep going higher here, maybe even surpass the last high breaking point so that we're back in the overbought zone. And then I would take profits again. At the moment, for me, it looks more like I would wait and not take any action. What other catalysts and dates do we have coming up in the future? First, Grayscale has registered a Cardano trust. The SEC is expected to approve the spot ADA ETF at some point. That could, of course, unlock institutional capital. Second, the regulation of ADA is listed in US drafts as a community asset and not as a security. That naturally strengthens trust. Third, the Cardano Summit 2025 in Berlin. There will really be new news, possibly partnerships and ecosystem updates. Then fourth, the Voltaire era, meaning on-chain governance with a treasury. And finally, fifth is the launch of Midnight, the privacy sidechain. That is already fueling some airdrop speculation. Conclusion, where does Cardano currently stand? Well, Cardano has a clear roadmap, a strong community and technological progress. But adoption for delivery is still weak and the market sentiment is rather subdued. If you're interested in price scenarios for ADA or my full analysis, I'll link the analysis right here. It's extremely exciting, that's all I can say. The video will surprise you, so enjoy the video and see you soon.